Hello, I'm Riley with Follett. Today we're going to be replacing a water feed solenoid on a Horizon ice machine. Tools you're going to need are a Phillips head screwdriver, a 5/16 open end wrench, and a 3/8 open end wrench. First we're going to start by shutting the power off to the machine. Then we'll be closing the shutoff valve for the ice machine inside the louver docking station. We're going to also be unplugging the ice machine from the receptacle. We use John Guess quick connect fittings to connect to the water feed valve. Use your 3/8 open end wrench to push down on the collar on the center of the John Guess fitting. And once you're there, you push down a little bit and pull out, and it should remove the tube. Now I'll be using my 5/16 inch open end wrench to take the 1/4 inch line off the rear of the fill valve. Remove our 2 spade connectors from the coil side of the valve. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws that hold the water feed solenoid. Put your screw back into the bracket before putting the bracket back on top of the machine. This will locate your screws. Tighten down both Phillips head screws. Connect your 2 spade connectors. Insert your 1/4 inch line. Once it's seated, you want to pull back to make sure that it's held firmly in place. Same thing with your 3/8 line. And we're going to open the valve. We're going to plug the unit back into the receptacle. Now we're going to turn the power switch back on. Now after about a minute, your power on light, your low bin light, and your making ice light should be on. Then we're going to go back to the water feed valve, and we're going to check for leaks. After about 5 minutes of runtime, we want to check our connections to make sure they're not leaking. Best thing to use is a brown men's room paper towel. And all we're doing here is reaching in and touching our fitting. And if there's no color change on the paper towel, it means that we don't have a water leak.